In this Access tutorial, we will be learning how to filter data by name and by form. To filter a set of data, click on the column or row that you would like to filter. Then, click on the Home tab and scroll over to Filter in the Sort and Filter section and click the Filter button. Check the boxes of the values that you would like in the data sheet and click OK. In this case, if we would like the data for the authors with codes 11 and 14 only, we would only check the boxes 11 and 14 and then click OK. To filter more than one value at a time, you must filter by form. To do this, click the Home tab, then scroll over to the Advanced button in the Sort and Filter section and click on Filter by Form. Insert the rules for the filter in the appropriate spaces. In this case, if we were to only want books that were published before 2010 and only have less than 200 in stock, we would type less than 2010 in the publication under the publication date box, and then click type less than 200 in the under the stock amount box, and then click Enter. After that, click Toggle Filter.